What's up, guys? Finally here. Finally got her. This is Vraska, the one you guys have all been waiting for. Myself included. Sweet girl. She went on a little car ride. This is my bamboo Black Pastel fire female. She's finally here. She's very well tempered. She's got one little blue eye. Actually, she has two little blue eyes. It was kind of hard to see in the camera. But yep, this is her. And she is a total sweetheart too. This is going to be a very short video because I'm going to get her into her enclosure because she went into a little 30-minute car ride, so you'll see more of her later. So here I am. We are back. We've been back for about a week now. Things have been kind of topsy-turvy, so took a little minute to get her transferred from her small cage to this one. This is Kaya's old cage, and I upgraded her to I upgraded Kaya to something a little bit bigger because she's about 1,000 grams now, so she needs a little bit more space. So she's exploring that. Alright, so this is how I'm going to set up Vraska's terrarium. So I've already done the main stuff, heat pad, all that fun stuff. Basically what I'm just going to do right now is I'm going to put some new substrate in, her new water dish, and this thing, because I figured it was cool. So, yep, and we shall be right. Alrighty, so now I am going to pour some Zoom Ed Forest Floor, the best substrate you can get for a ball python, in my personal opinion. So pour some of that in, then smooth it all out. I had just enough. Okay, so I'm going to try not to bug her too much because she's kind of chilling right now. So let's see, I think I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to try to hold her while she's still in her hide. There we go. There you go, sweetheart. It's all good. You're just getting put into something a little bit newer and bigger. There we go. Hopefully she doesn't get too mad at me. Alright. Then I'm going to get her a little plant because she loves her little plant. I'm going to put it right here. Seems pretty good. I'm going to put her water dish over there. Going to get her a new water dish other than the small one she was using. So should work pretty good. I'll put this right in the corner there. That looks good. And somehow I've already gotten some wood inside of it. Lovely. And water. That'll work. And then, because Vraska's a badass, gonna get her little skull in there. There we go. Sweet. Not too bad. Alright guys, well, that's about it. I might do some feeding videos later, because this girl right here eats frozen thawed. This girl right here does not. She's live only, and here lately she's only been wanting African soft furs, so that's lovely. You won't get to see her eat, but you may see her eat. Alright guys, take care, and see you next time.